Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix slow Telegram downloads in seconds. So the first thing you can do is to clear Telegram's cache. So you need to open the settings and go to storage usage as see from here. After that you can clear entire cache from here. So this is a lot of cache that slows your apps, downloads and everything using your files. So you can just clear this cache and this will help you to fix this problem. So if this didn't help you, you can try the next method, which is increase your data usage. So how to actually do that? You need to click on Wi-Fi or cellular if you use cellular Wi-Fi. So if you use cellular network or if you use your Wi-Fi, you can click on either of these. After that, from the data usage, you need to hold this point from low to high and let it stand on the high value. So it's actually the same on Wi-Fi and cellular option. So after you do these fixes, it will actually help let the download run faster on Telegram, and if you're using Android instead of iPhone, it is actually the same steps, but you need to navigate more on the files. So if you are using Android, you need to open the Telegram app and clear the cache for Telegram. Also, if you restricted background downloads for Telegram or something like that, you need to unrestrict it to raise the speed of the download. So thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.